Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling. Welcome to Character Modeling. We're at the end of week 10. Really excited to see this push. Check out all the animations this week and finally get into the last week. Super excited about that and really take a look. So if you have any questions about your assignments, let me know. I know it's getting close to the end and we're trying to finish up everything, so no worries about that. If we can't get the rig walking with the skinning, it's okay. We can just do the rig itself and just animate that. Go from there, add controllers to it. Other than that, just want to give you reminders. I added a discussion post for you, so that way you can add a reply to it if you want to post a discussion yourself. I'm all for that, and then I'll add a reply myself. Other than that, that's all I got. You got your final projects, your 2 assignments on Sunday this week, and then we go into week 11, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, if you have any questions, just let me know. I got your back as always. Have a fantastic weekend. If you need anything, let me know, Alex. All right, take it easy. Bye-bye.